Welcome to HTML Basics. In this session, you will learn the fundamental building blocks of web development using HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create web pages. It structures the content by using a system of elements and tags. It serves as the backbone of all websites, allowing browsers to interpret and display content accurately. Every HTML document begins with a document type declaration, followed by the HTML head and body tags. The head contains meta information, while the body includes the content displayed to users. Key HTML elements include headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and images. These elements define the structure and content of a web page. HTML attributes provide additional information about elements. They are always specified in the start tag and usually come in name-value pairs, such as class, ID, or href.
Common HTML mistakes include forgetting to close tags, improper nesting of elements, and using outdated tags. Avoid these to ensure clean and functional code. To continue learning HTML, practice regularly and refer to reliable resources such as MDN WebDocs, W3 Schools, and Free Code Camp. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others.